What's up, MX? Back at it again with another video. Today, do a little build. We're back with some new heat. A new potential MX Fu. Yeah, we're gonna go pick up a KX100 right now. Gonna pull up on the buyer like this. Let's go. Yes, sir. Got the KX100. Looking in pretty rough shape. Bro, we about to clean it up. About to take off these stickers because that's not it. Let's go. Wanna slide?
Great Sean on the beat, by the way.
I just wanna slide. Parties in the sky like it's 2055. She said, boy, you nice. Boy, you nice. Heart cold like some water and some ice. Why would you sacrifice? Knowing you could die, ain't nobody by your side. I know niggas cap and bitches lie. Came from dirt, can't go back. You can see it in my eyes. Real niggas cry blood. Hope my kid never tried drugs. All I wanted was some love. Trade that for a gun. Big pack on me now. Remember back then I was fucked up. I don't really want friends. Everybody fake. I don't got trust. But I just wanna slide. Parties in the sky like it's 2055. She said, boy, you nice.
All done. Finished up. Looking fresh. We're gonna take these off later, but for now it's cool.
Little dirt spot.
This guy's in love with the pressure washer. Alright, now gonna put on some aluminum brightener. This stuff, make it look pretty clean. Cleaned up all the nasty. The previous owner did not wash it. Look, looking clean in here now. Got all the plastics laid out. Spraying them to bring them back to life. Stuff works good.
Alright guys, we just got in here. And look at first thing we see.
Look at this thing. Supreme Sea-Doo Spark. Might have to cop this. Might have to cop this. Even though summer is over, still gotta be ready for next summer. This thing is sick. Show them the seat. Show them the seat. Supreme. Oh, they're all sold already. Oh no, there's two more. Bro, what the? This was crazy.
Sheesh. Things clean.
The Yamaha Monster Edition. So, let's see how snappy the throttle is.
Throttle's over here, bud.
Oh. Yeah. Then we got the 252 something. This thing is sick. Look at that. Soon, one day. This store is freaking sick. I think I'll take the green one. Yep, this one right here. This thing is sick. 450. Yeah, I'm about to take it right now. I'm sponsored already. They just wanted to sponsor me right now. They said I could take the green one.
This electric start.
We don't need that electric start. Stop at the kickstart. Let's go.
I'm gonna start it out.
Matt's gonna get this one right now, right? Let me see. Go up next to it. Go. Let's see you. Say I'll take this one. Say I'll take the green one. This is why we like cows. Look, it's bright. Oh my God! Look at that thing.
Look at that thing.
Oh my God.
Big. You already know.
Let's go. We just secured the bag. Show them the bag. We'll show you what we got. We'll show you what we got when we get home. But this guy's getting wet off all the bikes. He says he wants KTM now. He doesn't want to be part of Green Team no more. Nah. He was talking about being on KTM. He's a homie hopper. He's a hood hopper. No, you're not. You said you want a KTM. Look at him. All of a sudden when the camera comes out. All of a sudden. But with me, you know, it's Green Team all the way. Green Team. This guy. Papa Willie out of here. Oh, it is? What the heck? Hey, Cowie. We in 2021 and got a kickstart on a quad. Back from the store. Cleaning up the swing arm. Make it look a little bit cleaner.
Look at how much I did.
Oh my god, he did a lot.
All the work.
Look, wait, show them what you're doing. Show the viewers what you're doing. Alright, so clean it up, make it look clean. About to put some coolant in the bike. We got this one from the store. And we got a new bar pad for the bars. Looking fresh. This guy thinks he's a hard worker because his hands are dirty.
Yeah.
Looking rough shape right now, but one was done. We cleaned up the plastics, looking good. Gonna clean up that air box because thing's dirty, filthy, like your calzones. About to take out the oil. Let's see how bad this shit looks. What color do you think?
I think black.
Black? I think like brown, milky. That oil hasn't been changed since 1995. Look how black it is. That thing is nasty.
Looks okay.
Oil change was overdue.
It looks like chocolate milk.
No, it does not, bro. That thing's black. That thing is blacker than Waukesha.
What you say about my mama?
Alright, MX Foods. Today's the next day and getting an FMF, or we're gonna go look at an FMF and let's hope we secure it. Let's hope we get it. Spark plugs too. Spark plugs. Because the bike didn't start yesterday, so I think better start today. Alright. We're gonna go look at the FMF. We're gonna go pick up Matt and then carry on with the video. Let's go.
Okay. Alright. Oh, yes. Yes. Let's go. Give it a little pepper. Give it a little pepper. Come on, give it some pepper. Two smoker. Got a package. So, how'd you feel? What's your opinion on it?
Felt pretty good.
Felt pretty good. You're not going too slow.
Yeah. You know.
Faster than 250 or what?
Gotta stay on the gears.
Gotta stay on the gears, yes sir. 2-stroke. Look at that thing. That thing looked nice. We're all done with it. When we first started, this bike looked pretty clapped. Pretty clapped out. You like it?
Yeah.
Still hasn't rode it though. We gotta get this guy on it. Looking clean though. But that's it for the vlog.
Yes, sir.
We're gonna have some riding videos coming soon.
Soon riding season.
Yes sir. Why are you copying everything I say? Again?
sunshine.